Good morning. Hello everyone, today I've got an unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 that came free with my Samsung Galaxy S22. So yeah, this is the 40mm Wi-Fi only model in black. Let's take a look on the box before going inside of it. On the front of the box, Samsung, a picture of the watch, Galaxy Watch 4. On the right, nothing for the most part except a small 40mm logo on the bottom. On the back, you have your model, your barcode, serial number, so on and so forth. On the left, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on top. And to open up the box, you have to cut the two tabs right up here and right down here. Okay, so now the tabs have been cut open. Let's remove the top. Okay, right here we have a sticker. We have the watch itself. Nothing else on this part. And right here, Samsung. This pack should contain the paperwork, charger and stuff. Okay, so this is the cable, USB-A to the charging dock for the watch. And right on top, right on top, we have the paperwork, which includes the warranty card and a quick start guide. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm Wi-Fi only in black. Thanks for watching and goodbye.